Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good everything, wherever you're watching me from. This is Life with Queenie, and I'm going to take you through the journey. I'm heading to University of Nigeria Nsukka for a workshop. I thought it wise to just take you, my lovely viewers and subscribers, along with me throughout the journey. I'll be giving you updates of what we're doing. Right now, I'm moving out from the house. I'm heading to the park, to pick a bus. From there, we'll head down to Enugu. From there to Nsukka. So just get hooked on. Don't go anywhere. Please do like, do share, do subscribe. Please like, thumbs up. That will help the algorithm, to push out the videos. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. It's around 1 p.m. and we just finished the first session, ready to go have our lunch and then come back for the last session. It's been a wonderful time here, asking questions, interacting, learning everything about research. So I will stop here for now. I'll get back to you guys and tell you after the odds. Thank you so very much. Bye for now. Good morning. Good morning. Hi lovelies. Good morning. This is Queeness and this is Life with Queenie. Here we are at University of Nigeria Nsukka. This is the second day. We're just heading out from our hotel and we're heading to the workshop. So, see you guys later. I'll update you as we go. Thank you. Hi, good morning, lovelies. How's your night? Guess you had a very beautiful night. This is my third day at UNN for the workshop, and I'm just going out from my room right away and heading to the workshop venue for today should be the last day, and by tomorrow will be departure. I'll carry you guys along. Sorry I couldn't continue vlogging yesterday as I was meant to do, but today I think I'll do more to give you updates of what is happening at University of Nigeria Nsukka in collaboration with Harris Public Policy College of the University of Chicago. All right, thank you so very much and keep watching. Hello, good morning, lovelies. This is Life with Queenie. My name is Ngozi Chinyere, Queen Chibueze. The workshop ended last night, the gala night, and this morning I'm heading back to Abia State from Nsukka. So I'll take you guys along the journey as I move. It's been a wonderful workshop for graduate students and academics, So this morning, I'm going back. Most people are already, moving from their hotels. So I'm also moving right now to go get a bus and start heading back from UNN, that's University of Nigeria Nsukka, to Abia State. So keep watching. So I'm done. I'm moving out my things. I'm not forgetting anything. I'm going down to the reception to drop my key. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll carry this. Because this is the stairs. upstairs now. Let's put this in the bag. They look. It's quite so good.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
No, the people are just getting ready to leave now.
Okay. So I should join him.
Okay. I want to call the woman, if you can bring it out outside for me.
Okay, that would be great.
So, who the woman off the outside for her for questions. So, other person up on the shut their mouth. How's it sound? How about your key? You will key up.
If I may work you, no lower.
They will wait.
I believe what I could do.
Auntie, good morning, ma. Keke, ma, ade ma. Biko in office room. Biko, when you na ga Port Harcourt na and the book thing and up na help the worry according to you. So to open the why immediately.
Okwa no ga enwe rubber o so that I may bunu bottle alawa.
Mba, all the otanka on adeba.
That's in the cool me go jerry can aga agbanye. Assuming I want to pick like 5 bottles.
Okay, mana in any other bigger one. Okay. How many do you want to buy? So I can ask that to bring it outside.
You say it's 2.5.
I think only call.
Yeah, we put on me go now.
Okay. Okay, so 2.5. How many do you want to buy?
I want to buy 5.
5. So 5 bottles. You want up to 5 bottles? Okay. So that should be 10. That should be 12.5. If I'm correct. Yeah, 12.5. So because until you make line on a pattern now, your number or
because I'm not my way around here.
But when you are an official university, so I just go outside there, but so I just short because outside the church gate. All happen at church gate, because from there is near your number now because
yeah.
5 bottles.
This is the front view.
Yes, 5 bottles.
The hotel.
So near the number. What is your body? You go put
Oh, you see? Hey, boy.
To go back to Europe, for example, when you had the Enlightenment, which came when breaking the grow, when the message of the Enlightenment. So people started reading messages, challenging them, telling them about social contracts, how you need if a leader is not taking his own side of the bargain, how you have the power to get them out and all that. So now, I think social media has a big. There's another country that I'm struggling to remember now. The military takeover did not just drop from the across Africa who began to look like they were fighting without challenging how the state was set up in the first place. And the foundation of which got people together without allowing them their belonging, or decide willing to enter into. Jomo Kenyatta, was the president of Kenya by people like and some of those who have been Syria. Ethnic group, the TQU, they are part of Kenya, just because.
Original honey.